If seeds could talk, they would tell us stories. Stories of survival, of evolutionary change. A dance of genes that give them unique traits. For this plant, it was a potent mix of chemicals. Protection for its seeds. Seeds that became a sought-after spice. This is the intriguing story of mustard. Mustard, sarson, rai, the seed spice in our kitchen.
राई का ऊपर वो तेल में अंदर अच्छे आटे बोल को डालते हो।
ढोकला है उसमें भी राई का ही तड़का चाहिए हमें। पोहा बनाते हैं उसमें राई कंपलसरी है। कढ़ी है, कढ़ी में भी स्पेशल राई चाहिए ही चाहिए।
आप चस्का कह सकते हैं, आप इम्यूनिटी कह सकते हैं, आपको जो कहना कह सकते हैं।
सरसों तो मेरे लिए खाना तो बन ही नहीं सकता मेरा उसके बगैर, बिल्कुल नहीं बन सकता।
The spicy seeds of mustard, indispensable with an ancient history. A very long time ago grew a plant, abundant, attractive, the wild mustard. Humans tasted it. Some loved the leaves, others flowers, roots, seeds. They ate some and they grew some, the tiny seeds that sprang to life very quickly. Dazzling fields of mustard plants with so much variation, no two plants identical. Humans started observing, carefully selected seeds for the traits they loved. Evolution played its role. From this wild mustard grew a family of vegetables we are so familiar with. Vegetables that evolved over a long time and many generations. An entire range of plants grew from the same lineage. The Brassicaceae family, largely cultivated by humans, prodded by their careful selection of traits.
The Brassicaceae family is a very good example. So you can have very closely related plants that actually look very different.
Mustard, our familiar, loved, pungent seed spice, belongs to this family too. The Brassicaceae, also known as the cruciferae, for its four-petaled flower like a cross. Nobody knows when mustard originated. It's an ancient crop. Romans believed to be the first to use it. They mixed ground mustard seeds to grape juice, must in their language. The mustamardons they made was a spicy drink, literally meaning burning must. That's how mustard got its name. Where did mustard originate? Nobody knows for sure. But it was a plant carried by winds, insects, and also humans. Mustard traveled with Spanish missionaries. The padres scattered mustard seeds on their journeys into the New World, living trails that grew wild without a care, like weeds. The sunshine yellow would help them find their way back.
Mustard actually is a very simple plant that way. कहीं पे भी पैदा होता है, जैसे कि it is a waste plant. It is a kind of a weed which is growing all over.
Unlike a weed, mustard came to be desired, cultivated, sought. Its leaves, a green leafy vegetable, and its seeds used both as spice and for oil. travel to Rajasthan, the land of kings, home to the best quality and quantity of mustard seeds. Birothi, a small agrarian village near Udaipur. End of February, winter on its last leg. Flowering mango trees waiting to ripen in the warm days that'll follow. It's mustard that beckons the farmer. The flowers are gone. The plants stand dry. The next generation locked inside. In Latin, siliqua. For the common man, the pods, like boxes for seeds. It's a Sunday morning, but nothing lazy about it. It's a family affair. All hands aboard. The farmer couple works quietly, sickles moving in unison. Mustard is harvested with the pod, the entire dried plant. Children add their might to the jobs that appear deceptively lazy and relaxed. A lot is to be done. The bullocks step in. Hooves on dry pods, bursting them open, releasing the seeds. The yoke ensures that they stay in the circle. The traditional method used by small farmers even today. For the bigger landholders, machines have taken over. Man and animal going in circles. The task seems endless. Seeds need to be separated from the husk. Aided by sieves and wind, they make it look simple. This is the story played out in mustard farms in all states where it grows abundantly. Mustard, with its short growing season of 90 to 110 days, a crop always in demand. Back in time, mustard was more desired as a medicine than spice. So valuable that the Greeks considered it a gift for mankind from their demigod of healing, Asclepius. Philosopher and mathematician Pythagoras recommended the use of mustard for relief from scorpion bites. One 100 years later, father of modern medicine, Hippocrates, used mustard in a number of ways. Mustard plasters were applied to cure toothaches, muscular stiffness, and many other ailments. Around the 4th century before Christ, in India, Acharya Sushrut was using white mustard in bed sheets to ward off malignant spirits. Acharya Charak used poultices smeared with mustard paste. The warming properties of mustard were recognized and documented. Mustard got the name Sarsapa, Siddharthaka, and Rajika. Use of seeds and oil spanning a wide range, from pulmonary disease to skin rashes, fever, insanity, epilepsy, and neurological disorders. Its use both external and internal.
आयुर्वेदा में खाने की चीज़ के अंदर में आहार द्रव्य बोलते हैं जिसको, दूसरा जो है औषध द्रव्य, तो स्पाइसेस को इन दोनों में मिलाया गया है और हर औषधि में जो कंपाउंड फॉर्मुलेशंस जो भी है उसमें इस स्पाइसेस में 1 या 2 जरूर मिलाते हैं.
It's the same with cooking. A single spice rarely used. It's a combination, and the knowledge a part of our inheritance.
तेल में आप डाल दो सरसों ठंडे तेल में तो आपको स्वाद नहीं आएगा, लेकिन गरम तेल में डाल के जब वो टूटती है फूटती है तभी उसका स्वाद बनता है.
The smellless seeds transform when they burst. It's their unique makeup. Each black mustard seed has sinigrin, a glucosinolate, unique pungency molecules common to the mustard family. Inside the seeds is also myrosinase, an enzyme. Tiny seeds with fascinating complexity. Pure inside, and one will find sinigrin and myrosinase in separate compartments, not allowed to meet. Different types of mustard seeds have different glucosinolates and enzymes. Their pungency varies. Burst the seeds and they snarl. The compartment's broken. Sinigrin and myrosinase meet. The enzyme acts in the presence of oil or water, breaking it down to allyl isothiocyanate.
What seasoning is we use a very less amount of mustard, so we get very low amount of this allyl isothiocyanate. That is actually a medical dose only.
वो तो डॉक्टर ही है बोलो. पहले ये सरसों जाता है तेल में या छौंक में, उसके बाद ही सारी चीज़ जाती है. हींग तक इसके पहले हम लोग नहीं डालते.
Mustard certainly did not evolve to become a spice and medicine for humans. Its evolution was for survival, a pungency that saved its seeds from being eaten. That became the selected trait, not intelligent design, but an evolutionary coincidence.
Plants have to be sure that they don't poison themselves if they contain these. So they sequester these compounds or the enzymes in different compartments.
Allyl isothiocyanate, a molecule of sulfur, carbon, and nitrogen atoms, pungent to ward off herbivores. When eaten, the seed is crushed. Saliva aids the reaction. Glucosinolate meets the enzyme. Pungency develops, deters the herbivore. It can burn and blister. But humans have mastered the craft of processing it. World over, mustard came to be loved. Vasco da Gama carried mustard on his first voyage around the Cape of Good Hope in 1497. Gurudev Tagore, in his poem Nil Digante Oi Phuler Agun Laglo, called the blossoming of mustard flowers the flame of fragrance. Mustard and Bengal go hand in hand. Food is supreme here, and mustard rules. The fiery kashundi, mustard paste and fish. The two things that define Bengal, Bengalis, their food and culture.
शोरशे का जो स्मेल है वो अगर आप बहुत दूर पे भी कोई पका रहे हैं, पड़ोसी के घर से भी आपको पता चलेगा, अच्छा आज वहाँ शोरशे फिश बन रहा है, तो आप वहाँ जाके खा सकते हो.
Our mustard trail leads us to Uttar Pradesh, another state known for mustard. It's not the seeds, but the oil, the pungent kadwa tel. As the seeds crush in the kachi ghani, the oil oozes out. The oil cakes would be fed to the cattle. The pungency trapped in the oil. Its pungency desirable, a mark of its quality.
सरसों का तेल सच्चा होगा जो कि आँख में लगेगा और उसके नाक में आपको लगेगी झार जैसे जा रहा है, तो उससे आपको लगेगा कि ये सही तेल है.
The pungent mustard oil that makes eyes water, an inherited culture of medium of cooking. Mysore. Like in the rest of South India, here too, mustard oil is unacceptable. At At the CFTRI, scientists in the Protein Chemistry and Technology department are working with mustard seeds.
Sulfur containing amino acids are rich in mustard seeds. Most of the oil seeds do not have this. So it is a holistically, if you see, the amino acid balance is very good in case of mustard seeds.
Integrated technologies are being developed. Recovery and isolation of glucosinolates a focal area.
Why we want to actually recover them during processing. We don't want to utilize as a pungency factor alone. We want to utilize as a pharmaceutical compound.
Glucosinolates, potential candidates for new medication for heart disease and diabetes, locked in these tiny seeds. In the small oil mills, the problem is loss of pungency in oil. It remains in the oil cake, rendering it inedible for the cattle. An integrated technology is being developed to ensure that the pungency is locked into the oil at the time of extraction.
During extraction itself, that enzyme and glucosinolates to be together, that is the conditioning what we do. During extraction, the enzyme acts upon glucosinolates and the released volatiles enter into the oil.
Research leads to technology. Technology to improved health and medicine. Mustard seeds have nearly 35% oil. And mustard oil is being tested in labs the world over. It's an oil rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It compares with fish oil in its capacity to protect the heart and safeguard against diseases. Mumbai, the city with open arms, attracting people from all over the country with hope and livelihood. People move with their culture. In a North Mumbai slum, lifestyles blend. Anita Paswan is from Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh. She grinds mustard seeds. Her grinding stone carried from the village. Mustard available everywhere. Anita is a masseuse. Massaging newborns and their mothers is her inherited knowledge. The coarsely ground mustard mixed with a little mustard oil is her preferred mix for massage. Young mothers happily hand over their babies to Anita.
जो सरसों पीसे थे उससे मालिश करने से बच्चे की हड्डी मजबूत होती है, जो हाथ पैर है वो सीधे होते हैं और जो छोटे छोटे बाल रहते हैं वो सब बाल ज़्यादा नहीं आते हैं.
The oil and seed mix is pungent, hot. The sulfur in them good for the skin. Its heat draws blood to the surface, warming flesh and bone.
ये हम लोग के पुराने ज़माने के बुढ़े लोग सब बुजुर्ग लोग थे, वो सबके ज़माने से ये सब चलते आ रहा है.
Traditions thrive with people, create bonds, roots. Spices have always been a part of this knowledge system. Mustard, often called the spice of nations, a spice that entered belief systems. German brides in yesteryears would sew mustard seeds into the hem of their wedding gowns. They believed it ensured authority in the new household. In India, it was believed that evil spirits could be driven away by sprinkling mustard seeds around the exterior of the home. Mustard seeds were powerful, the seeds of faith. For any farmer, it's a more practical, real need. Good seeds ensure a good harvest. At Biroti is a unique bank, a community seed bank run by the farmers under the guidance of the National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources. It's an initiative to conserve and promote the farmers' varieties of seeds. The local land races acclimatized to the area.
ये हमारे देसी बीज उसी को हम जैसे खेती करना चाहते हैं और जैसे हमारे बीज बैंक में बीज हम इकट्ठा करके लोगों को फिर देते हैं.
A unique system. The farmers collect seeds from here. No money exchanged. After harvest, they return seeds with a very small percentage of interest in the form of seed. Mustard seeds, a part of faith, philosophy, religion. Once a small baby died all of a sudden. The inconsolable mother took the baby to Gautam Buddha, begging him to restore the child to life. Buddha asked her for a fistful of mustard seeds from a house that had never ever seen death. He promised he would use those seeds to revive the baby. The young mother went house to house and she found no such household. Realization dawned. Death is inevitable. Where there is life, there is death. In the Holy Bible too, mustard and faith are together. If you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can say to this mountain, move from here to there, and it will. Losers can't cut the mustard. Drama queens make rai ke pahad, mountains out of the tiny seed. Mustard has flavored language and cuisine. The seed that gives us spice and oil is truly a spice of nations.
Na 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 na